ಆನೇಕಲ್ ತಾಲೂಕಿನ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಐಎಸ್ಬಿಆರ್ ಪದವಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಘಟಿಕೋತ್ಸವವನ್ನು ಶನಿವಾರ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ವಿವಿಧ ವಿಭಾಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರೈಸಿದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಮಾಡಲಾಯಿತು. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಕಾನೂನು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಿಗಮ್ ನುಗ್ಗೇಹಳ್ಳಿ ಪದವಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಬಳಿಕ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಅವರು, ಪದವಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಯುವ ಸಮುದಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಸ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತದೆ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಹೊಸ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ನಿಭಾಯಿಸುವುದರಿಂದ ವೃತ್ತಿ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಶಸ್ಸು ಗಳಿಸಬಹುದು. ಇಂದಿನ ಯುಗ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನದ ಯುಗವಾಗಿದೆ. ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಸದುಪಯೋಗ ಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆ. ಪದವಿಯು ಹೊಸ ಆವಿಷ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ನಾಂದಿ ಹಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕಾನೂನು ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ವಿಪುಲ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳಿದ್ದು, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಸದುಪಯೋಗ ಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ನ್ಯಾಯಾಂಗ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ, ವಕೀಲ ವೃತ್ತಿ, ಕಂಪನಿಗಳ ಕಾನೂನು ಸಲಹೆಗಾರರು ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆ ಎಂದರು. ಐಎಸ್ಬಿಆರ್ ಸಮೂಹ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಮನೀಶ್ ಕೊತಾರಿಯಾ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ಸತತ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸದಿಂದ ಯಶಸ್ಸು ಗಳಿಸಬಹುದು. ಕಲಿಕೆ ನಿರಂತರ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆಯಾಗಿದ್ದು, ವಿವಿಧ ವಿಷಯಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಪಡೆಯಲು ನಿರಂತರ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಉತ್ತಮ ಚಾರಿತ್ರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಜೀವನದ ಭಾಗವನ್ನಾಗಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ಪದವಿ ಪಡೆದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಪದವಿಯ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಬದ್ಧತೆಯನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ನೀಡುವ ಗುಣವನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ವಿದ್ಯೆಯ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸತ್ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳಾಗಿ ಬದುಕುವುದು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದದ್ದು. ಜ್ಞಾನ ಸಾಧನೆಯ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನೈತಿಕತೆಗೆ ಮಹತ್ವ ನೀಡಬೇಕೆಂದರು. ಕಾಗ್ನಿಸೆಟ್ ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಕಾನೂನು ವಿಭಾಗದ ಅಂಬಿಕಾ ಸಿನ್ಹಾ, ಇನ್ಫೋಸಿಸ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಹಿರಿಯ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ವಿ ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್, ಐಎಸ್ಬಿಆರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯ ಆನಂದ್ ಅಗರ್ವಾಲ್, ಕೆಎಸ್ ಆನಂದ್ ರಾಮ್, ಸಿ ಮನೋಹರ್, ತಪನ್ ನಾಯಕ್, ಬಲವಂತ್ ಕಳಸ್ಕರ್ ಇದ್ದರು.
ज्ञानान्तरात्मने ज्ञानोत्सुकाय गानवत्ताय गानोत्सुकाय सुख मन से गुरु पूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिनी गुरु विक्रमाय कोई है प्रवराय गुणवे गुण गुणवे।
So I'm really happy to be at this convocation, and I'm very happy to be invited by Dr. Manish Kothari for this. I feel the energy and enthusiasm in this room, and I can clearly see that students here are really motivated to do well, not only in their studies, but also when they go out into the world of work. One of the things I wanted to mention here when I said in my convocation speech was that we are moving towards a world where the business side of things, the domain side of things, their professional expertise and technology are converging in one place. And I think this institution is very well placed to train its students to meet that kind of world and engage with it. Yeah, no, I think my message to the students is that it is no longer enough if they focus only on what has been taught to them by textbooks. It's important that they have some appreciation of the real world, particularly the role of technology. And I think all good institutions, including this one, are preparing students for that, are preparing students to think beyond textbooks. I think that's very important.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ISBRಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಎವ್ರಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ, ಎವ್ರಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ more than 250 students have graduated today. They are more than 40 gold medalists, and the best part of today's convocation is students have not only got jobs but they have become entrepreneurs also. There are a few students who have gone to Oxford University London and are going to study there, which is a very proud moment for our state of Karnataka and for our country India. Another good thing is there are many students who have become entrepreneurs. ಅವರು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬೇರೆ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ they will give employment, and that's a very good thing. A few students have started in the field of artificial intelligence. The day today and tomorrow is about technology. Our students are doing very good and they are going forward to see that they represent Karnataka in the startup hub. It's a proud moment. We all in this institution are feeling good about it. And the best part is these students are coming back to the institution to give jobs to their alumni, to their other students. I mean, such a great and a proud moment for our country and for our state too. The GDP that is going to be affected because of all such things will be a very great move. In fact, Vikasit Bharat is one of the great dreams of our state and our country. I think our students will live up to it and make it happen. Thank you.
I work for Cognizant and I'm extremely honored to be invited here for the convocation of ISBR. I can tell you, I didn't have a convocation, so for me this is like a treat. Apart from attending it for the students here, it's amazing to be part of their happiness and to see the parents actually coming forward and taking pictures for them. It's very heartwarming. Extremely happy to be here. Thank you so much for having me here.
So what are the challenges for the students?
Well, I think like I said in my speech earlier as well, I think it's important to keep smiling because that is definitely going to take you places, and it's definitely not a bug; it's a feature. The other thing would be that it's important to have that curiosity and the desire to learn and to continuously keep learning and upskilling. It's very, very important, to be a people's person in the sense that, you never work in isolation ever. So it's important to be collaborative and to be friendly and to be likable. It's hard, I can tell you that. And third one would probably be communication. I think it's important to hone, certain soft skills, and communication being a very key, especially in law, and not just in law actually, even if you're doing your MBA, no matter where you come from, whichever line, good communication takes you a long, long way. So, all the best.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮಹೇಶ್ ಅಂತ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಘಟಿಕೋತ್ಸವದ ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನೂನು ಪದವಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ISBR ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯವು ಕಾನೂನು ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯವನ್ನು ನಡೆಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಉತ್ತಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಪಡೀತದೆ. ಇಂದಿನ ಘಟಿಕೋತ್ಸವ ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಲಾ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ ಸಹ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಯಶಸ್ವಿಗೊಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ISBR ಲಾ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಬೇರೆ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ತುಂಬ ಯೂನಿಕ್ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಸಹ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮೂಡ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಯೂತ್ ಪಾರ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಒಬ್ಬ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷ್ನಲ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ನ ಕೊಡೋ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ISBR ಕಾಲೇಜು ತುಂಬ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Myself Rahul Prakash. I have done my BBA Aviation from ISBR College, and the college is absolutely good, and infrastructure, whatever it might be, even the teachers, the coaching, everything is good, and the teachers are very supportive in this college. They also help us through a lot of the discussions and all, group studies, anything it might be, projects, internships are good. Overall the college is good. You can actually prefer this college. The environment and all is absolutely good. It has that's no doubt about it. The teachers though, there's one teacher whom I have to specifically tell. It's Mr. Dr. Mahesh sir. He's one of the best in the whole college. Yeah.
I'm Manasa. I completed my BBA at ISBR College. I'm 2023 batch. I completed, today's event was our convocation. It was a very grand event. We are all glad to be a part of the event. And coming to the college infrastructure might not be like as big as it is, but education, they give us the 100%. I was a science background student, but coming to commerce, I'm in the top 5 of the class. So that shows how much the teachers give us value. Whatever insights we want, they'll give us, not only about the subject, any other things. They do have association with ACCA and CMA that are not related to BBA, but they give association from the college, which is very valuable. They give us certification courses that adds more value to our profile in general, and we did a lot of internships and all the other development activities which helped us grow as person. And right now I'm doing my MBA at BMS, and even that interviews I was able to crack because of the things they have taught me at ISBR. I'm always grateful, and thank you.
Myself Chandni. I'm basically from Chennai. So here for this college, I have good research and a very good research I got from the thing. My experience was really good because other than my business administration interest, rather they approached me to pursue my CMA, certified management accounting, which is happening good. Teachers are so encouraging, and in education part infrastructure we truly faced issue, but we are not, neither of them we are complaining over it, because they satisfied in other all ways. They encourage us in all the internship and all. Now work opportunities they are still providing, they are guiding us. If you want any time, they are not not time based, anytime the whole college and faculties are ready to help us at any court. So I'm happy with it. I'm really proud that I've graduated from ISBR.